emergency alert system has issued immediate evacuation for the following areas: North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, Nebraska, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio until March 8, 2022. A missile launcher was spotted hitting central Wisconsin in 7 hours. It will spread across the entire Great Lakes area, hitting Fargo, Sioux Falls, North Central Lincoln, Cedar Rapids, Fort Wayne, Columbus, Detroit, Milwaukee, and several more cities. Evacuate as far away as possible. Radiation, uninhabitable landscapes, and several more dangerous effects can happen to this area. Evacuate while you still